everybody, it's Alexis Jaeigh, and I'm back with another video. And as you see from the title, today's video is a wig install. Your girl went old school and decided to go a little gray. Yeah, but watch this video because I do give y'all the whole rundown in detail on how I did install my wig. But go ahead and get into the video.
Safe haven. Rather go at it than not speak at all. How you made me feel, oh, it's dangerous. Oh, you know, I would rather argue than me sleep alone. Rather call you out than no one on my phone. Hold my grudge instead of having none to hold, none to hold. Could you blame me for needing you? You're the reason I got a weakness. Oh no, you drive me crazy, but that's my baby. Can't get enough of you. Oh Tries me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? But I'm off that. Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? Love. What is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know this niggas worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
So what y'all think? But that's all for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all check me out on all my social media pages. And don't forget to check out www.ajjewels.org for this beautiful, luxurious bracelets, y'all. I have a sale going on, so please do make sure that y'all check it out. It's great for gifts if you need to get someone gifts at the last minute. And don't forget, it's a Black-owned business, so support. Bye, my